to recover TikTok streak. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover TikTok streak. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch TikTok application on your device. Now make sure to log into your account. After that, you need to head towards profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Select three-line icon at top right corner. Tap Settings and Privacy. From the Setting and Privacy section, scroll to the bottom. Tap Report a problem and wait until the section gets loaded. Now you have to choose Chat with us button at bottom of the screen. And then you have to type in a message that you want to recover TikTok streak. And here are some of the questions and a link with the help. You can choose any one of those. So let's tap restore the expired streaks and you will get the solution. Here it is given that you can easily recover or restore your streaks by clicking restore it on your DMAP. With your friends, you can only restore twice per month with the same friend. So if this guide was helpful, select helpful and then easily recover your TikTok streak. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.